everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to lock any apps with a password in any iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So let me show you, this Photos application is not locked, or any of the application right now you can see on the video is not being locked, right? So how you can lock any apps with a password? So for this, what you need to do is just open the settings app, and below you can see there one option, screen time. Just tap on it, and now just turn on the screen time. Click on turn on screen time. Select this is my iPhone. So the screen time is being turned on, right? So below you can see here, use screen time passcode. Just tap on it and set your respective password or pin. So I'll just set my respective pin. You can add your Apple ID also if you wish, but right now I'll not add it. I'll just click on cancel. I'll just click on skip. You can add your Apple ID also. So we have finally set a passcode. Now here you can see one option written app limits, right? Just tap on it. Now click on this add limit and just put your passcode which you have set a few seconds ago. Now it will show all the available list. So you can select all also by selecting the first option, or if you want to set only for particular application, then you can see a search box above. Just tap on the search box and search for the application. Say in my case I just want to lock the Photos application, so I have just selected the Photos. Then on the right top corner you can see add. Just click on it and click on next. Now here just select the time. So the minimum time you can select is 1 minute, so you can set it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever minutes you want to set. So I have selected a 1 minute just to give you an example, and after that just tap on the add. Now finally our Photos application has been added. So now you can see a grayed out Photos application icon, right? So if you tap on it, you can see here you have reached your limit on Photos. So below you can see two options. One is OK and ask for more time, right? So you can just tap on ask for more time. So right now you can see 1 more minute, enter screen time passcode, right? So if I press on 1 more minute, then it will open my Photos application, right? But here is one trick. Let us wait for 1 more minutes and we'll check if it asks us again, or if we can enable this Photos application without using a password or not. So we'll wait for 1 minute. So finally you can see the time limit. It's showing you have reached your limit on Photos. So below you can see once again the same option, right? So if we click on this ask for more time again, now there is no more time. So you need to enter the screen time passcode in order to use this Photos application. So let us try again. Let me open again the Photos application and let me click on the second option, ask for more time again. So there is no more options available like before. So finally this application is completely locked. So in order to open this application, you need to enter the screen time passcode which we have set earlier. So let us put the passcode. So now you can see there are some options: approve for 15 minutes, approve for an hour, approve all day, depending upon your needs, how much time you want to allow it again. So say, just to give you an example, now for the 15 minutes it will stay unlocked. So using these cool tricks, you can easily lock any apps with a password in any iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.